Hello all, here comes Berry Girl at the wilderness again. Do you know you worship God? Around the world people also worship blessing to the God. Here is the Bengali one. এই সুন্দর ফুল সুন্দর ফল মিঠা নদীর পানি খোদা তোমার মেহেরবানি এই সুন্দর ফল সুন্দর ফুল মিঠা নদীর পানি খোদা তোমার মেহেরবানি. You know what? The Bengali language, the song coming from the song lyric also blessing to the God. It's saying this beautiful fruit, beautiful flower, because God is so kind, that's why He gave us. Look at that berry. I am today Berry Girl again. You know what? I am also Tosh Tosh Puppy Girl, Berry Girl, Juicy. Let's go sing with me Bangla. Blessing to the God. এই সুন্দর ফল সুন্দর ফুল মিঠা নদীর পানি খোদা তোমার মেহেরবানি. God is so kind. He knows we need fruit, we need water, we need flower. Oh, berry dance again with me. Today I'm really picking, okay? Oh, Berry, if you know, the Berry Girl loves you so much. Thank you.